They shattered your trust, your dreams, your sense of safety. You whispered, Allah, did you see what they did? And still choose me? You looked at the pieces of what you were, and couldn't see how it could ever be whole again. Their words felt like hammers, shaping you into someone broken. You believed their version of you, that maybe you were too much, too sensitive, too different. So you began to dim your own light, but the weight of trying to fit their mold broke you more. You felt like a house built on sand, collapsing under the pressure of their expectations. You thought maybe Allah forgot you, that your pain was proof of being left behind, that devotion meant no cracks, only endurance. But what if the cracks were never meant to weaken you? What if they were doorways for a light He always intended to pour in? You thought faith meant unshakable perfection, that showing your flaws meant you were failing Allah. But the pressure to be flawless, it distanced you from the one who loves the broken. You carried shame like a shadow, shame for being hurt, for feeling anger, for needing help. You believed your wounds made you unworthy of divine love. You stopped trusting, not just them, but the idea that you could be safe, that love could be gentle. So you built walls, even around your heart's longing for Allah. You forgot that even the prophets wept, that dhikr includes lament, that your humanity isn't a flaw, it's the very reason for rahmah. You believed your pain was a punishment, that maybe Allah was teaching you a lesson by letting them hurt you, that your tears were a sign of weak iman, not a prayer. So you swallowed your grief. You smiled when you wanted to scream. You performed perfectly while dying inside. You forgot that sujud can hold your sorrow. Allah says, "And whoever relies upon Allah, then He is sufficient for him. Indeed, Allah will accomplish His purpose." Allah has set a measure for all things. Surah At-Talaq 65:3. Your healing has a measure. It's being written. He doesn't ask for perfection. He asks for sincerity. Your tears in sujud, they are dhikr. Your silence, it is tadabbur. Your pain is a prayer He knows how to answer. Allah knows your struggle. He designed the fitrah He placed in you. He knows the weight of being human, and He still chose you. Your cracks are not flaws. They are invitations. Your iman is not weak. It is being refined. Like gold in fire, the pain they caused is burning away what was never meant to be, revealing what is eternal. You are not broken beyond repair. You are being rebuilt, not to their standard, but to His. A structure designed by the divine architect is unshakable. Let go of their blueprint. Stop building from their rubble. Start living in the home He is constructing. Your pain is not the end. It's the foundation for something better. You don't have to carry their wreckage anymore. Allah sees what they broke, and He promises He will rebuild it stronger, more beautiful, more barakah than before. You can grieve, you can rage, you can be broken, and still be beloved. Healing isn't about forgetting. It's about transforming pain into purpose. Your fitrah is not flawed. Your iman is not weak. Your humanity is not a burden. It is the very reason Allah's rahmah exists. You are exactly who He designed you to be. Stop comparing your chapter 1 to their chapter 20. Your story is being written by the one who never makes mistakes. What they broke, He is already rebuilding. You are not too broken for Jannah. You are not too human for rahmah. You are exactly who Allah designed you to be in this moment, and He is still building. Let your tears be your dhikr. Let your silence be your tadabbur. Let your heart be your truth. You are seen. You are known. You are loved. And you are being rebuilt for better. If this touched your heart, there's a gentle guide waiting to walk with you through your rebuilding. You'll find it in the description when your heart is ready.